Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you glitter cut crease eye makeup. I thought of combining this glitter cut crease with a Spanish rose makeup look today. First I'm going to moisturize my face with the Ultra Repair Cream from Fab. I apply the moisturizer all over my face and neck area. It is important to apply moisturizer before starting off your makeup so that your makeup will look flawless and the makeup stays all day long. And for my eyebrow, I'm going to take my Fashion Brow from Maybelline and define my eyebrow. To clean up my borders, I'm taking Pro Concealer and Correct Palette in Medium Deep from MAC. I'm taking the lightest color in the palette, which is closer to my skin tone. Next, I'm taking my Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer as my eye base. Once I'm done with my eye base, I'm taking Laura Mercier Loose Powder to set the concealer from creasing. I'm taking very little amount of loose powder to set the concealer. For the eye makeup today, I'm going to use Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette and also Jaclyn Hill palette from Morphe. First, I'm taking Desert Sand color and apply all over my eye area. Next, I'm taking Musk from the same palette to softly cut my crease. Again, from the same palette, I'm taking color called Amber to define my crease. Taking my larger blending brush, I'm going to blend all this color softly. Going back on the same palette, I'm taking wood color and define my outer V. To intensify my outer V, I'm going to take A Base color from Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm blending the color in a circular motion with a blending brush. For my cut crease, first I'm going to clean up the eyelid area. I'm using Garnier Cleansing Mineral Water to clean up the eyelid before applying concealer to cut the crease. To cut the crease again, I'm going back to my Age Rewind Concealer from Maybelline. With a flat brush, I'm applying the concealer on my eyelid area to cut the crease. To set the concealer, I'm going to take a shimmer silver color called Metal Isa from the palette Rock and Roll. Here comes the fun part. We are going to apply the glitter. First, I'm going to apply the NYX Glitter Primer on top of the silver eyeshadow. For today's makeup tutorial, I'm using NYX Glitter. This is a loose glitter. So I'm applying this directly on the eyelid area, which we already applied the glitter primer or glitter glue. I almost forgot to mention this is a silver color glitter in code 06. Next, I'm going to highlight my brow bone. I'm taking and light color from Jaclyn Hill palette. I notice fall off of the glitter under my eye area. So before I start over the face makeup, I'm going to wipe off those glitters under my eye area and reapply some moisturizer. Next, I'm taking NYX Shine Killer for the face primer. Some of you might be wondering, why do you need to apply primer before your foundation? Let me share with you. Primer smooths the surface of your skin, minimize the appearance of fine lines and pores, evens your skin tone and help your makeup to stay all day long. And for the foundation today, I'm going to use Becca in shade Tan. This is a full coverage foundation. If you would like to stay fresh throughout the day, then you may want to get one for yourself. For my highlighter today, I'm taking Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. I'm applying this under my eye area, bridge of my nose, chin, side of my jawlines and my forehead. Next, I'm going to set the concealer with some loose powder. I'll let the powder to sit on my face like 2 to 3 minutes before dust it off. This process we called as baking. For contour today, I'm going to use Tarte Pro Glow palette. To bring back the warmth on my face, I'm going to bronzer my face. Today, I'm using Butter Bronzer from Physician Formula. Next, I'm going to apply some blusher. Today, I'm using Sleek Blusher palette. For the blusher, I'm going to mix these two colors. To highlight my face, again, I'm going back to the Tarte Pro Glow palette. I am going to apply it on my highest plane of my face. Example, my cheekbones, chin, tip of my nose and side of my eyebrows. Before completing the eye makeup, I'm going to apply some loose powder under my eye area so that later if any fall off, it will be easy to dust it off. Again, I'm taking a base color from the Jaclyn Hill palette and press it under my lower lashes. Next, I'm taking a blending brush and smoke out the color. For the eyeliner, today I'm using liquid eyeliner from Sephora. To To tighten up my waterline, I'm using black gel eyeliner from Mary Kay. Again, I'm taking Enlight eyeshadow from Jaclyn Hill palette and apply on my inner corners. For my lips today, I want a red color, so I'm taking the chili red from my Anastasia Beverly Hills lip palette. To set my face today, I'm taking NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray. To complete this makeup look, I'm going to apply my mascara. Today I'm taking Silky Girl Eye Opener Waterproof Mascara. To add some twist for this makeup, I add some roses for my hair accessories. And this is the final look, guys. If this is the first time you are watching my video, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and not forget to hit the bell button so that you will not miss any of my new videos. I'll post new videos on every Sundays. I will see you next week with a brand new tutorial. See you guys.